Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer deals from Pipedrive to Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer deals from Pipedrive to Salesforce, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Deals section on the left sidebar. Select the deals you wish to transfer. Export these deals by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose the Export option from the drop-down menu. Select the desired file format, typically CSV, for the export. Click Export and wait for the file to download. Next, log into your Salesforce account. Go to the App Launcher and select Data Import Wizard. Click on Launch Wizard to begin the import process. Choose the Standard Objects tab, then select Opportunities as your target. Click on Next to proceed with the import setup. Select Add New Records as the import type. Upload the CSV file you downloaded from Pipedrive. Map the fields from your Pipedrive CSV to Salesforce fields. Ensure all necessary fields, such as opportunity name and amount, are accurately mapped. Review your mappings and click Next to continue. Confirm the import settings and click on Finish. Wait for the import process to complete. Once finished, review the imported deals in the Salesforce Opportunities section. Validate that all data has transferred correctly and make adjustments if necessary. You are now ready to manage your deals directly in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.